What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. On my way out to Riverside, so yeah, stopping by Ontario Mills. They got a Nike outlet. Let's go see what's up. All right, Nike outlet. Man, I think I'm in here at the worst time. It's about 10:30. I meant to come here right at 10 o'clock, right when they open, but didn't really work out like that. So, all right, let's go. Let's see what happens. This is one of the few outlets that's actually advertising, hey, 20% off all men's footwear. It says women's footwear as well. Yeah, this is one of the only spots advertising that. To be able to get Jordan 6s, for 20% off, that is fire. They also had those dunks as well. Got Zions, 20% off, not bad. All right, let's see what's up with the clearance section. I know there are a ton of resellers that come here, so you do have to come here super early to compete with them. What the hell? Yeah. Hopefully things ain't marked, because there's no way that's retail. Nike by you. Infinity Run Flyknit 3s at $150 retail? Really? I was like, these look like Kobe's from the side. What the heck? You got some of these Alpha Huarache Turfs. Kind of look like Kobe's from the side, dude. $60. Why is everything retail though? Air Max 1 premiums. Oh, I forgot to say I'm starting in the 10.5 section as usual. Dude, got these bad boys. These are nice, dude. Nice premium material. Man, the Air Max 1 premiums are very nice. Oh, 110. Okay, there you go. That's what I'm talking about. Normally 160. What are these? Are Vaporfly Next Percent 3s? I didn't know the 3rd gen is out. That's an Atom Knit like material on top. Got that Zoom X on this side. These look comfy as hell. But yeah, these are probably like $250 or something like that. Don't know the price. Okay, the Air Max 95 Essentials. They are on sale for $140. Jordan 1 center cords. One of the doper colorways. Not the dopest silhouette though, but $90. Size 10. Checking out the size 11s. Got the Flight 89s right there, but no price tag. So retail? Take one. These are not $60. I don't know. More center cords. I would have them price check these if you're interested in that. Got some Jordan 37s. These are 10.5. Go for 80. 185. That's retail. Gore-Tex Air Max 90 Gore-Tex right here. Go for 110. So that's not bad. Under $100 for Air Max 90s. Not too shabby. Be able to get LeBrons for 160, and then you get that 20% off. These are the NXTs, so a little bit cheaper, a little more synthetic materials on it. The Jason Kids Flight 95s go for $130, still in the size 11s. Size 9 in the size 11 section right here. Air Max 2090 go for $70. That's not bad. What's that? $56 after discount. It's not bad. Got some KDs right here. KD 15s go for retail. But like I said, anything here, I would just ask them to price scan it or scan the price, because it doesn't look like a lot of things are marked. Size 13, one of these bad boys. I did beat the crowds. It's not that bad. Parking was actually not that bad either, but I do know you need to get here super early. I know the resales are. I just realized they have refurbished stuff here. That's new. Wait, I need to come over here. Wait, hold up. Size 7 Kyries go for $70. Remember, you do get another 20% off on this. These are gently worn. Kyrie Low 5 down to $60. Those are gently worn. I was touching that shoe right there. That box fell down. It fell on someone's head. But that guy was cool. We chopped it up for a few minutes. It's helping him look for some sneakers and stuff. He was a size 13. And so you know how that goes. Talking to him about how tough shoes are to find at that size. Do you got? Oh, got some Metcons. You can get Metcons for $38. Trying to see if they give that to you. Huaraches right here. Size 12 gently worn. Go for $60. That's the size 12. Metcons down here too. Metcon Turbo size 7. Go for $75. Yeah, this is what happens when you came here late. If I came here early, I bet you I would have found at least a couple decent things here. Off-court slides. These are the Titans one right here. $18. $18, gently worn. Infinity Run Flyknit 2s down to $80. Get 20 off. I guess it's 37s down to 60. Got a Multiple colorways in all black right here. That's clean. Damn, I got all hella excited, but really nothing. All right, let's go back to the size 12 and 13s. Air Zoom Max Flies. Ooh, these would be dope for some family members who do some track. So is this for sprinting though? Is this for like middle distance? I don't know. Good question. That's a good question. I guess I'm in the size 11s again. 165 for these, 11.5. Air Max 90s going for retail? Nah, man. I would definitely ask them to scan stuff because there's no way everything's regular price here. Size 12, dude, got some Jordan 37s. We're spending a lot of these at the Nike outlets. And is this the undefeated? Undefeated? To be able to get these for 20% off, not bad. Undefeated collab, not bad. Not bad. Does come with some bright orange laces. Like I said, you get full box and you get 20% off, not bad. Size 12. Do get some blazers, $80 for those bad boys. Going up to the bigger size 15, $25. $25 for these bad boys. What the hell? Wow. Size 13. These have been tagged at least 72 times. I should wear regular price too though. Metcon 7's down to $80. Size 14 right here. Got some Air Max 95s 140. Regular price, or same as the other ones over there. Jordan 37s. Size 15.5. Oh, it says a women's though. Is this a collab? What is this? And I ask if it's a collab because I've never seen a women's Jordan 37. That's, I'm like, what the hell? Definitely interesting. Just have that Adam knit material up top. These are definitely interesting. 15.5, so that's a 14 men's. Got some mids right here, Lakers. Mid size 15 retail. I really wonder if I came here right at 10 o'clock, would I have seen stuff here? I don't know. Definitely gonna have to come back at another time, right when they open though, man. But let's go check out some of the smaller sizes and then let's go check out the aisles. Size 9.5. I'm like, what the hell? What Jordan? I was like, what Jordan sneaker? They got a big old sign on the side. Air Max 290s or 270s. Those ain't even 270s. Oh man, whatever. 2090s going for $70. Oh, I'm in the size 9.5 too. But yeah, LeBron lows going for $70. Yeah, there's so many where the boxes are wrong. I was like, what the hell? These are Zoom Freaks, man. What the hell? Older Zoom Freaks, $110. Got some Lucas right here, size 9, going for retail. At least you get 20 off. Yeah, another one where the box is wrong. Those are definitely not Air Max 90s. Witness 6s going for 80. Size 8 football cleats. These are the Vapor Edge Pros, going for 120. Get that. See, like, why isn't this in the refurbished section? You know what I'm saying? Like, obviously this is used. You know, not even like tried on. This was just straight up used, like on both sides. Like, come on now, dude. And these fools still trying to get retail. Like, just, I don't know. Nothing just makes sense. Super Rep 3s, size 7.5. Nothing really standing out in the smaller sizes. Let's go check out the aisles, man. Let's go see what's up. And in the aisles, man, to be able to get these bad boys right here for 20% off, that's what I'm talking about. Dunks too, not too bad. These LeBrons, not bad right here, especially with $30 off on top. So $120 for those after the discount. Prestos go for 90. LeBron Witness 6s, got a few of these. Interesting colorway. Can't go wrong with the black and white right there. Flight 89s. See, with stuff like this, do you get an extra 20% off and 20 on top of that? I wonder. All right, I did talk to one of the workers. He said it's just 20 off of everything. Certain things are marked 20%, certain things are not. And then the clearance section obviously is 20% off, but he just says it's 20% off everything. You don't get to stack the extra discounts. But yeah, that's what they're telling me. But yeah, 85 dunks right here. Supposedly slightly better material. Okay. No, it is better material. My bad. But yeah, dude, got these bad boys. At least you get 20 off. Got the Terra Escape 90s right here. Got some Air Force mids. Some lows right there. Like how they put the Burrows right next to the Air Force Ones. Try to fool some fools. Apparently the Air Max section right here, Air Max 95s. Another one of those. Air Max Systems, what the hell? What the hell? Air Max 2017s. Another one of those. Blazer mids, Monarchs, and then we've been seeing these everywhere. The extra fluffy Monarchs, been seeing that at plenty of spots. Pegasus Turbo Next Natures, Pegasus Trails. We got a few of them. This is the Pegasus Trail 4. This is a Gore-Tex version. The prior ones were the 3s. Got some Epic Rare Flyknits. Infinity Run Flyknits go for way too much. We've seen these way cheaper. They'll go down eventually. They'll go down. Just have to be patient. We did see a Pegasus Turbo Next Nature. These are the original Pegasus Turbos. These are a women's shoe, but they released the men's in the exact same colorway. The fit is exactly the same as well. So I got these for hella cheap, like 40 bucks, something like that. Super comfortable. I'm gonna be on my feet all day. Going to an air show, I believe, and then some other stuff. I might show that at the end of the video. And it is like 80 degrees. Can you believe it? Summer is already here. All right, let's look around some more. Do got 30% off clearance apparel. I'm gonna hit up a couple of the shops here. Like I said, we do have plans. Do have to go further into the Inland Empire, headed to Riverside for some stuff. But yeah, let's look at the apparel real quick. Great time to buy sweats and stuff like that for next winter. I buy stuff off season all the time, especially at the clearance center, dude. But yeah, $35 for these sweats right here, normally $45. You do get an extra 30% off, so it's gonna be like $20-something. Is this Nike Golf? Nike Golf or something, $95. Not tapered at all on the bottom. That's kind of interesting. Got some shorts, but they're pretty whatever. This one's actually pretty dope. Is this cargo? What is this? 32 waist. If this was like a 33, 34, I probably would have grabbed them. $55. That is actually fire, dude. This is fire. 32 definitely not gonna fit me. Dang it. That's actually dope. These like capri pants for kids? Or for, is this capri pants for men's? This is a double XL. What the hell? Super short. Hella orange stuff right here. $70, normally $100. Like super orange. Then got a bunch of shorts. The shorts don't really seem to be too interesting to me. Tons of t-shirts, every shade, every color. Got Clippers merch. Do got Clippers merch. Long sleeve Clippers, definitely disappointing in the playoffs. Hopefully by the time you guys see this, hopefully the Lakers are up 2-1. We'll see. These don't got price tags on. What the hell? Oh, there it is. There it is. These bad boys going for $40. You should get 30 off. Those are both larges. T-shirts going for 20 bucks. These are mediums right here. These are smalls. Soccer t-shirt right here going for $16. Clippers. Looks like a nice dry fit like warm-up tee. This ain't bad, dude. $55 though. And it is a triple XL for tall. Been finding dope apparel here and there. I was able to find that soccer jersey the last stop, but not really finding too much. Do got an Eagles. Hoodie right here. Regular price, the double XL. University of Texas, 52 double XL. Everything that I'm finding that's interesting, it's been like a double, triple XL. What's up with that? Everything else just t-shirts. Yeah, and just more t-shirts all on this one, dude. I think I'm done. All right, I do want to wrap things up, but I did want to check the women's refurbished section because sometimes you can just find crazy steals here. This is a size 10 right here, which is a 8.5 men's. $85 for Air Max 97s, and these are gently worn. Super clean though, super clean. Like I said, I don't really see people have told me, oh no, they cleaned them up. Nah, look, these are definitely not cleaned. It does say gently worn, like they're honest about it, but they are definitely not cleaned. That's 85 bucks, so you get another 30% on top. Infinity Run Flyknit 3, size 9.5 men's, 11 women's, 80 bucks. That's a solid deal. Got one that's gently worn. Do got one that is slightly imperfect. Blazers right here, size 10.5 Women's going for $43, almost free. Got Jordans. Got Jordan 2s going for $113. That is a size 9. So yeah, so these are under $100, bro. Under $100. Dang. It does come with the extra laces right there. Man, that is fire to be able to get these for that cheap for under $100. Got these nurses shoes that were everywhere during the pandemic, $60 for those. Air Max 90. This is a size 12, which is a 10.5 men's. Look at the slightly imperfect, $65. When it does say slightly imperfect, you do have to review these. You do have to look at them. Maybe it's this right here, because the suede goes in a little bit. When you wear it and it stretches a little bit, I think it'd be fine. Yeah, I'm not really seeing anything else. Did I miss something? Did I miss something? No, I don't really see anything else. Like, to be able to get these for $65, you do get 20% off. Did I say 30% of it? Meant 20% off. You do get 20% off on top. So these will come down to like $52 or something. That is a steal. That is crazy. That actually is my size, but I'm cutting down. Like I said, I'm not buying everything that I see like I used to. All right, I think we're done. Let's wrap it up, man. Let's wrap it up. I'm gonna hit a couple more shops, check out my other videos. But yeah, we're gonna wrap it up. All right, finally made it to the air show. Freaking took us 2 hours to get here. Man, traffic was insane out front. Yeah, I got the F-35s right there for all you plane nerds. Got all the PDs representing. Got LAPD right there. We just got in one of those big old, shoot, I don't know what plane he said. He said it was something. I don't know. One of the cargo planes, or it was a fueling plane. They let us go in the cockpit and stuff like that. That's pretty dope. And then they are doing the show. Did I even show the inside of that? Yeah, we walked into those, so I didn't even show, huh? But yeah, I do see those fools right there, the Thunderbirds, the Air Force Thunderbirds. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Well, oh, one's upside down. Holy cow.